Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench with two of the oldest clamps that I have. And the one I believe is incomplete. Let's start with this pair of hand screws. Okay. Wooden shafts threaded into wooden bodies, which are tapped to match, and they work the same as the Jorgensen with the metal shaft as far as opening and closing. The only thing is, these are not pinned to each other, so they can come completely apart. And the one is just riding in a loose hole here. So what you would do is you would adjust it close to the work that you want, and then you would tighten it. That's simple. You loosen that same one. If it wasn't tight enough, then you tighten it a little bit more. And there you go. I believe they're made out of maple. Could be beech. I can't tell you as old and grody as they are. But here too, everybody, a tool that was made more than 100+ years ago works as good today as it did the day it was made. You just have to know how to use it and know its limitations. You don't really want to reef down on this, okay? It's just to hold two pieces of wood together. And you could adjust it for slight angle clamping. Not as much as the Jorgensen. So that's that. This is a bar clamp. And the bar clamp, this one was made for clamping something, at least 18, 20, maybe 22 inches long, but it could go out as far as 34 inches. Now, I'm not sure if there was another piece in here, which was a flat-faced clamp that this worked against, or if there was something attached to this. I don't know. I would probably guess that there was another sliding piece in here. It's just my thought. I'd have to do some research. But here's an interesting thing. This screw will come out. So that's why I know that this was not attached to something. Rather, I think it was another sliding piece. So you take this out, and if you notice, there are two holes. So that would adjust the location of the clamping power from a 1-inch center to a 2 3/4 inch center. So if you were doing panel glue up, you'd use the lower screw hole. If you were doing something larger or you needed to have the depth, you'd use the upper screw hole. So there you have it. These are the 2 oldest clamps I have, and I need to do some more research on the bar clamp because I believe and because this can slide off, I believe that there was another one like this that went on here that was flat on this side with 2 holes in it to receive the screw thread. That's my gedenk. What do you think? Have one of these? Contact me. Maybe you can send me a picture of a complete one. So there you have it, everybody. The old way of clamping. Boy, I tell you, it's kind of good that we've become more efficient with our materials because that bar clamp is heavy. That's a lot of wood in there. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. Go find the oldest clamps you have. Walter out.